Yes, class, good morning. Today we'll discuss a new topic, interesting and important topics, integrals of some particular functions. Means a special function having a special identities. Different type function having the different types of the identities. It means first when you solving in this type question, the very particular you observe the questions, which types function given, which type identity you will use here. I have written here some special type 6 special type functions. First function here is dx over x square minus a square. X square minus a, the identity of this 1 upon 2a log mod sign here x minus a upon x plus a plus c. But suppose you are interchange a square here and x square here. The identity is this portion here same, but this numerator part moving denominators or denominator part moving the numerator. Very minor difference of this, very minor difference when you interchange of the x and a. Next function, suppose you are using the minus placing the plus. In place of the minus you are using the plus sign. So then you are using completely change here 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a plus c. But when are you using, suppose your square root sign on this identity, here in this function, so then completely change here. This is the only simple form 1 upon a tan inverse per. When are using the square root sign here, then log, this is converting the log form x plus root x square minus a square plus c. This is the mod sign here. Next, when you replace the x and y, x places here, a places x. This is the form. Then here, this question here. So then completely change here, x place here, a places x. Then sin inverse x upon a plus c. This is completely, this is a log form, this is a sin inverse form. Or when are using the positive, suppose change the sign of the minus sign here, but your sign is changed. In 6 number function is same, but here negative sign, here positive sign. So this is the same here question, but here minus sign, here plus sign, because here minus, here minus, here plus, here plus. Means sign identity is not, identity is same there. When are using the negative sign identity, then we putting the negative sign. When you are putting the positive form identity function, then putting your positive signs. In this way, this is 6 particular functions here. You note down it, and when you using the question, when you solving the question, you are very particular here what minor difference of these identities, and you check and then using the identities. Just note down. Yes, class, 2 special types function number 7 and 8. Suppose question in this form dx over a x square plus bx plus c, means this is the quadratic equation. Dx over quadratic equations. Function number 8, this is your denominator the same quadratic equations, but your numerator is not dx. Your numerator here linear equations px plus q. This is the linear equation, this is the quadratic equations. And here means both the function is different types. Now how to integrate of both the function here? Yes, now look here. Question number, this is the function number 7. Suppose question in this form here. How to integrate here? First you will be in this portion convert in the perfect square. Denominator portion you will convert first perfect square. How to convert in the perfect square here? Now look here, ax square plus bx plus c. First of all you take the common a. Then you are taking common a. This is the x square plus b upon a x plus c upon a. Tricks of the class 10. How to make it the perfect square here? First you take the removing the coefficient of the x square. Coefficient of the square here a. This is removing. How to removing here? Take common. This is the taking outside here. After that, what is the coefficient of the x? What is the coefficient of the x here? Then you will be half of the square of the coefficient of the x, means half of the square of coefficient of x. Then you will add and subtract in this question. Yes, we now look here, a x square plus b upon a x plus c upon a plus, what is the half of b upon a? This is the half and then square. What is the value of b square upon 4a square? Then this value will be add and subtract here. So b square upon 4a square minus b square upon 4a square. In this way you will make a perfect square. In this one, first you will take the common here a. After that, what is the coefficient of the x? Then half of the square, half of the square of the coefficient of x. The coefficient of the x b upon a. What is the half of this? B upon a by 2. B a upon by 2. This is the half, and then square it. This value comes b square upon 4a square. So this value you will add and subtract. Then you can make it the perfect square. Then here x square, or this identity here, x square plus b upon ax plus b square upon 4a square, make one group. And next plus c upon a minus b square upon 4a square. This will make the second group. After that, what value of this? This is the x plus b upon 2a whole square plus c upon a minus b square upon 4a square. This is the constant term. So this is the constant term, or this is the variable term. Using the identity of this, the first of all you will be change in this form. So this is the x square plus a square. This is the completely constant term here. Then you can change this in this here, integration 1 upon a outside here, and dx over x plus b upon 2a whole square plus c upon a minus b square upon 4a square. This is, you can change this in this form, and you calculate this, make it a perfect square. When you calculate it, this will be always converting the perfect square form. Then it means you can write it. So this is the form of dx upon x square plus a square. This question converted in this form, plus minus. Any question here plus minus. Suppose you have plus sign, then you write plus. Suppose you have minus sign, you write here. But this question convert in this form, x square. After that you will using your substitution method. The x plus b upon 2a you will convert in substitute in the any t, y, p, q, any way you have substitute this. After that you are using your substitution techniques, are using this identity here. This will converted here to dx upon t square plus minus a square in this form. Using this question converted in the first convert this form, after that convert this, after substituting convert this form, then using the identity, particular identity. So in this way you will change the function 7 type questions. Any question first convert, or how to convert this process in this way. This is the 7. How to convert this? First taking a common, make the perfect square. This is the converted the form. I am writing here this, and then this is the substitute. Then this convert in this form. Then using the identity in this form, particular special identity of the function in these questions. Next year you will change question number. Suppose question come in this form. So how to change it? First of all, you will be find the value of px plus q. Find the value of this functions. How to find it? This is a d over dx, denominator dx plus c and plus b. Now differentiate here, 2ax plus b plus b. After that you will be equating here. Now look here, suppose question in this form, denominator part here same, quadratic equation are numerated by the linear form, then how to solve this question? The first of all you will find the value of numerator here, px plus q. What value of this? What value of this? A d over dx, a square plus bx plus c, and plus b. This is the b. And what is the AB here? What is the AB here? AB is the constant terms. A and B are constant term. The first you will differentiate here, come in this form. After that you will equating here, equating of the constant term, equating both sides. Coefficient of x and constant a and b. Means you will find the value of a and find the value of b. You will calculate here, equating both sides. You will calculate here coefficient of value of the coefficient of a and b. After equating, and then you are putting the value of a, means value of the px upon q. This is converted in this form. Then you will be integrate. First of all, you will differentiate. Come in this form. Then you equating here both sides, coefficient of the x, constant term, coefficient of constant term a and b. Then find the value of a and b. You are putting here a and b. What value of the px plus q? You will write this answer here in numerator form. This means this will be converted here a to ax plus b upon ax plus bx plus c into dx. This portion is the same, but a and b you will find from in this help of this. You are putting here, then you will be integrating this portion. So you have special type function 7 and 8. So how to solve this? This process you note down, and using this process then you solve your problem. Yes, note down, then start the exercise. Yes class. Question number first, exercise 7.4. Question number first here. Integrate the function. This function here given 3x square upon x exponent 6 plus 1. First you observe the question. Here suppose you have break down the denominator part, but then numerator part is come here. How to break down it? This question solution part here. Suppose you are break down it 3x square upon x exponent 6 plus 1, 3x square upon x exponent 3 whole square plus 1. With the denominator part break down exponent 6, 3 into 2, 3 to just 6. So suppose you are substitute this value, so this is come here. So now you substitute this value, put x cube equal t. This equal to 3x square dx equal to dt, and dx equal to dt over 3x square. This value. First of all, you break down this. After that, you will substitute this value x cube, only x cube, not square, only x cube are substitute here. This is t. When you differentiate this x cube here, then 3x square dx means value of the dx equal to dt over 3x square. So now value of integration of 3x square upon x exponent 6 plus 1 equal integration of 3 square upon, this is the t square plus this is the 1 square. 1 square is the 1, and what value of their dx? What value of the dx here? The value of the dx here dt over 3x square. This will be cancelled here. What is left here? This is the left here dt over t square plus 1 square. and this is the identity of, which identity using here? We are using identity here कि dx over x square plus a square, integration of this. This is the 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a plus c. Using this identity here, dt over t, then here identity here dx over x square plus a square means 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a plus c. So now this is your using identity here कि 1 upon 1 tan inverse t upon 1 plus c. 1 upon 1 is 1 tan inverse. What value of the t here? T here x cube. Substitute this value x cube plus c. This is your answer. Upon 1 is the same that here. A place here 1. S square upon means s cube upon 1 means s cube. Using this identity here, this is the identity. According to this identity, the integration of this portion is tan inverse s cube plus c. A very simple question, but when you starting the question, to your observe the, when you starting the question, you look question ki which identity using here, what things substitute here, yeah, any other identity using here. Suppose you break down this in this way, means this your question very easy converted in this form. Then you integrate and then you find the value of question. Yes, now note down the next questions. Yes class, next question I am taking question number 2nd. Integrate the following functions here. 1 upon square root 1 plus 4x square. How to solve this question? Here coefficient of the square here 4, but you have no any identity here those having the coefficient of the x. Means you have the identity here in this form. Dx upon root x square plus a square in this form, means no any coefficient of the x here. You have coefficient of the x 4. First of all you will remove the 4 here because no any identity having the coefficient of the x square. What is the identity of this? This is the log x plus root x square plus a square plus c. Means you look this question in the similar way. Means you will using the identity of this question here. First of all, removing the coefficient of the x square here. How to remove here? So then you will remove here 1 upon taking 4 common here. 1 upon 4 plus x square. You are multiplying and divide by 4. You are taking common 4 here. When you multiply inside, this is the 1 and this is the 4x. So then, what is the next? Taking 2 outside here. So this means x square plus 1 upon 2 whole square. This question. This identity is the same here. So now you can write here integration of 1 upon root 1 plus 4x square. You can write here 1 upon 2 is outside. Integration of 1 upon root x square plus 1 upon 2 is square and dx in this form. So directly you write your dx here. It means this question converted in this form. After that you will using the identity here x square plus a square. X place here x and a place here 1 by 2. Then what value of this? Log mod x plus root x square plus a square means 1 by 4. A square means 1 by 4 mod plus c. C are the constant. C are the constant. This x here, x 1 by 2 square means 1 by 4. After that, we will take here x plus, take LCM here, कि 4x square plus 1 upon 4 mod plus c. This 4 taking LCM here, 4x square plus 1 upon 4. This 4 is the whole square of the 2, because under removing the under root from the 4. 1 by 2 log x plus 4x square plus 1 upon 2 plus c, because 4 is having the perfect square of the 2, so then removing the square root from 4, this outside in this way. After that, you take LCM here, 2x, 1 by 2 log 2x plus root 4x square plus 1 whole upon 2 plus c. These two taking your LCM here, this is 2x plus 4x plus upon whole upon 2. Then using the additive here, ki log m upon n. What value of the log m? Log m minus log n. Using this additive log. What value come here? 1 upon 2 log 2x plus root 4x square plus 1 minus 1 upon 2 log 2 plus c. This 1 by 2 including of this 2. This log m minus, suppose you are multiplying here, then both multiplying here. This suppose any number multiplying here 1 by 2 या any number, then both will be multiplying here 1 by 2. So that's 1 by 2 here, 1 by 2 both here. I am separating here. Now after that 1 by 2 log, this is the first portion here, but this is the 1 by 2 log. 1 by 2 log 2 plus c. 1 by 2 log 2, this is the constant term, and plus c is constant term. So constant plus constant. Constant plus constant equal to constant. Yeah, constant minus constant equal to constant. When two integers we are solving, then result is called these integers. Means the constant plus constant, then it will be a constant minus constant, then it will be constant. So this is, you can write here to 1 by 2 log 2x plus root 4x square plus 1 plus c plus c. This is your final answer. When you adding or subtracting both the constant, the result will be always come constant. According this rule, the value of the both here c, because 1 by 2 log 2 is the constant value, or c is also constant. When you operating both them, then this will be result come here constant. Here according these rules we will be solve the questions. Using, you note down these identities here also. Which identity are using here in this question? That question make it very easy to understand which identity in which place are using you, and then when every time you note down this in this type of identities. Yes, note down. This question is very simple, but when you solve the question, first you focus on the questions. Question which type of the function, how to operate this, which identity will be using here, then different identities here. Then you will be in this way break down and solve the questions. Yes, note down.